morning, everyone. My name is Adam, and this is The New Woodworker. So today marks the morning of my pre-op. In 3 weeks, I get my spinal fusion. And this is something I've been putting off since 2003, and you're watching this in 2021. There's a long story behind that, but I've decided that I just can't live in this much pain any longer. I can't really function at all. I can't function normally, or it's been tough decision to make, but I'm gonna do my typical morning routine. I just woke up, just got out of bed. I had my morning energy drink just to get moving. I took my morning dose of kratom because that's the only way I can get my body moving. And I'm in a lot of pain, as I always am. But I'm going to show you my morning routine that I'm going to try to do up until the day of surgery. I come outside our laundry room and I have a pull-up bar here, and I have some bands that I do some work with. So I'm going to show you what I do, and maybe it'll help motivate you guys, help give you some ideas of what to do every day. I do this every morning, and this is what helps me stay in shape. So let's check it out. So I want you to see that you can do this workout every morning and you don't need a lot. This is a cheap pull-up bar, got an inexpensive set of bands here at the house, and there's things that you can do every day. Now, because of my back, my spinal injuries, I'm getting fused L5-S1. I can't go all the way down, and I can't go all the way up because that, I guess, leaves too much room for error on my spine, and that's when I really start to feel a lot of pain. But I used to do 50 pull-ups in a row, even up until last year. So now I'll come here and I'll do some push-ups. And what sucks is that it's always my lower back that gives out before anything else. With every exercise I'm doing, my lower back starts to feel so much pressure and tension that I just can't do anything else. But so there we go. I do pull-ups, push-ups, and I'll come here and I'll just do some high rows. There we go. You see that? All right, make you a little more uncomfortable, but you'll at least get to see what it's doing and see what it's moving. So, you see that? This is an upper row, and I'm working up here, the trap into the shoulder. I'll burn out as many as I can there. I'll come low, do more rows here, then I'll do a lat push down. Then I'll do a tricep push down. Pull my pants, tricep push downs. You can even do tricep extensions like this. Then I'll do curls. See, all of this hurts my lower back very badly. So I've always had to find different ways to support my lower back because it really does hurt so much. All right, now here, we'll do some shoulders. So I've got one band here. I'll step on it and I can't bend over very well, or at all. So then I'll do side raises here. You can see it this way. Side raises that work the deltoid, the separation between the deltoid, the shoulder, and the bicep. And this really starts to give a nice separation in the arm. We'll do like 20 to 30 here. I do high reps. I do high reps on everything. That's why I stay lean and I stay vascular, meaning the veins, right? Because I do high reps. And I don't mean high reps of 12 to 15 like guys do in the gym. I do high reps of 20, 30, 50. But that's what helps keep that muscular vascularity so that you can see the veins and the muscles, the definition, the changes, and so forth, okay? So I'll do side raises there. And I'll do front raises. And I can't do two arm because that makes the lower back uneven. And I have to be very careful with everything I do. Now I've been working out this way for, I don't know, at least 10 years, like meaning I have to be very careful with what I do. Can't squat, can't deadlift, can't do anything heavy. I don't really need to anymore anyway though. That's not what I want. So these front raises are great. I really like these front raises because being in construction and tree work and landscaping and doing things where you're carrying in front of you, this is functional. So a lot of this workout is very functional for labor, for work. And doing these high reps helps the body adapt to tension, adapt under load. So now you can throw in some squats. See, I can't even do that. You can throw in some squats, and now you just did a full body circuit. You did chest, back, actually high back, low back. You can do some other things for chest right now. Close grip. See, my back hurts a lot already. I can barely focus, but so there's my morning workout. Let's get over here. So there's my morning workout. And by the way, we're renovating the house. Take a look at that video and you'll kind of get an idea of what the overlay of the house is. But, so it's kind of a mess and there's things everywhere. Yeah, but spinal fusion, I guess 3 weeks, huh? 3 weeks, yeah. So I'm going to try to keep doing this workout every day. It really helps the body be able to overcome any of the trials that it faces, right? Another big thing that I do is I take vitamin C 3 times a day, 1,000 milligrams 3 times a day, morning, afternoon, and night. And if I feel myself starting to get sick, I add in 2 more doses. So I will take 5,000 grams of vitamin C a day if I feel like my body weakening. And I haven't been sick in, knock on wood, I haven't been sick in a very long time. So guys and gals, I get a lot of questions about my workout routines, what I do to stay in shape, how I stay lean, and I'm trying to give you guys more. I want to give you more information. This is a quick, easy morning workout that you can do every day. If you feel your body getting fatigued, or if you feel your muscles starting to really be sore, that's not a bad thing, but give them a rest. Give them a day of rest. Make sure you're consuming enough protein so that the muscles can recover. So now my guys are going to be here. We're actually working here on the house, building a master bathroom suite before getting the house on the market. So now I've got to get ready to work. So guys and gals, I'm going to try to bring you along during this process of my spinal fusion because I know that there's a lot of people out there who are considering this procedure. And I've been putting it off since 2003, basically out of concern. Really, I didn't find a doctor, a surgeon that I felt comfortable with, and I had met with many. I mean, I had met with like 6 or 7 surgeons, and none of them made me feel comfortable. This surgeon I finally feel good about. He's a neurosurgeon at the University of Penn in Philadelphia, and I finally feel like this is the time when I can't really delay it any longer. It's really affected my life for so long, and I'm done. I'm done letting it affect me. So, prayers, good thoughts, positive energy. That's what heals the body and that's what heals the mind. So stay tuned. I'm going to try to keep you guys with me here. Maybe I'll bring you along with a pre-op appointment today if we can. So, all right, see you soon.